What's up, Grammar Gang? We're back, Wonder Rap Season 2, and today is a top secret mission. I'm going to show you how it's all filmed. Let's go. Oh no, quick, get in. Go, 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 go. Quick, follow me. Let's go. Come on. This way. Look, we're going behind the scenes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on a second. How do we go from this, ready, set, splash, to this, ready, set, splash, dash, I'm David. First of all, we need to decide what we're going to rap about. In Season 2, we've got a ton of fun subjects. A song about the Vikings, the Tudors, a chill-out song, and even a song about endangered species. Leave those animals alone. Leave those animals alone. Leave those animals alone. Leave those animals alone. In this series, we wanted to do a song about a really important subject, healthy eating. So how does that happen? Well, it starts with our fantastic team of researchers. Our researchers find loads of interesting facts. Once we've got the facts, it's time to start writing the song and choose the musical genre. And for the healthy eating song, we chose garage. No, not music made in your garage. The musical genre garage, big in the 90s and early 2000s. And that was a long, 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 long time ago. So we've got the research, the lyrics, and the musical genre. Now it's time to bring it all together and visit the music studio. Follow me this way. We are inside the studio. Plaques, instruments, all the tech, and two legendary producers in the game. Say hello to Crunchy and Z Dot.
What's up?
And this is how we create all of the music. We start with nothing, and then we make a beat. Z Dot drop a beat.
All right, let's go.
Crunchy's in the house. He's gonna play the keys and add a melody. And we start to build all these layers to create a song. And this microphone is the one I rap on. Let's have a go. You ready? It goes, ooh, who's on the ones and twos? You, big shout out to my crew. Who? The fruits and vegetables, cause 5 a day's essential. Say aubergine. Oi, oi, oi. Our vitamins and minerals give you a longer life. Yeah. Just like that, you see, you build the layer by layer and we end up with a song on YouTube, Sky Kids, wherever it goes, so you can learn and have a good time exploring your mind. Once the song is finished, it's time to bring it to life in the studio. Say hello to Snack Man. Yeah, that's Snack Man, a really horrible and evil character I play in the healthy eating song. In addition to Snack Man, I got to play loads of different roles in Series 2, including King Henry VIII, the scuba diver, and the police officer. But the way the series really comes to life is all thanks to the animators. We have a fantastic team who helped to create these remarkable characters. The first thing the animators do is create a storyboard from the song. Just like this. And once we film the footage, the animators get busy creating amazing characters and beautiful backgrounds that bring these worlds to life. And this is when we use the magic of the green screen to take us from the studio to the supermarket as Snack Man. That is the secret of Wonder Raps. So what are you waiting for? Series 2 is out on Sky Kids On Demand and now. Oh, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to check out all of our cool content.